Welcome back. Well, we have quite a few changes. First, we moved to another garage. Monty's car, rotisserie chicken is ready to be cooked. Cabron. So we have two lifts here, 2-post and 4-post. My car, a lot of changes. I made a straight piped exhaust, refreshing a subframe from that rusty one to new one and powder coated. What else? Body kit going on. We're not gonna talk about different doors. A little accident happened, something. But yeah, body kit will go. Then wrap. And that I will change the axles. Also springs. So these BC coilovers I had, it came standard with stiffer rear, I guess for grip racing or something, like to be stock-ish suspension. So now I'm swapping to Swift springs, 12K in the front and 10K in the back. They say these Swift springs are better, so we'll see if we're gonna notice the difference. Also, I'm swapping from AIC controller to Motive Reflex. Just got it connected. Whoa, what was that? E85 controller or sensor coming up, and it's gonna be a lot of changes, more grip, better power, I guess, and much more fun in the track. So, talk about ECU. I'm changing AIC to reflex controller because that AIC programs being old, and I was having issue with like errors popping up, not be able to upload another revision. So I'm upgrading to this one and just waiting for injector adapters on. I don't want to splice it or modify this harness, so I'll just put adapters. So yeah, I'm still running direct injection and port injection. I'll run it for some time, let's see how it works, and that I want to use it for some time, and then max ECU is gonna be going in the car. I already purchased max ECU. I just need to find a harness, engine harness, and that's gonna be fun. So that would be direct injection delete. It wasn't easy to get them in. They're pretty stiff, which is good. I couldn't find the whole kit bushings for E90, so I purchased them from like 3 or 4 different stores. These arms, Power Flex. These 4 big bushings from Condor Speed. What else? So I'm missing these bushings for control arm, it's called, or wheel carrier. They're all different, so I'll purchased from ECU, from ECS tuning, that. So differential bushings going in, and differential like a this. Diff will go 373. I purchased this welded diff from a friend, and pretty sure it would hold, but I'll put some metal plates there just to make sure. Add some hot glue. Using this snipping tool, shape a little bit more and then weld it. Hot gluing. Something like that.